Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Abang at Braemar construction. This is a 6-story residential building that's going up on Braemar Avenue. It's located at 1C Braemar Avenue and it's right across from the via at the Braemar. A massive 10-floor building that's finished. This one is going to be 6 floors. It's going to be 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments, and they'll have 22 units in this development. Now, these units must be massive because it's 6 floors, 22 units. That's about 5 to 6 units per floor. But look at the size of this building. It's huge, massive. Okay, so this location used to have a technology company, Digital Transtech, but when the laws were changed that allow more habitable rooms per acre of land, they decided to demolish the building that was here and build apartments. And that is something that we need to see a lot more done of. Demolish the old buildings and build something new. Now this building is located in the heart of New Kingston. Braemar Avenue along in this area or this side of New Kingston is a lot of residential apartments. You have the Hampshire, you have the via at the Braemar, you have the Cambridge, and you have another one that's built right across from the hotel. I'm not sure the name of that one. It would really help if they put the names of these buildings on the outside. Not sure why some buildings don't do it. Alright, so this is Abang at the Braemar. Alright, so we're going to give you a tour of the area now to show you the other developments around here. And this project was actually slated to finish in 2020, but as you can see, they have a far way to go, maybe 2026 before they're finished. If anybody knows what the sales are like for this development, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. Alright, so we're going to show you the other developments in the New Kingston area now though. As you can see, this is a residential part in New Kingston. When you go on like Knutsford Boulevard, you have the more commercial part with the high-rise buildings. Okay, so this development now is the one I was telling you about. It's a new residential development, but I'm not sure what the name is. I don't have a sign up yet on the gate. Maybe because it's new, I don't know, but massive building. It's been raining a lot the last few days, so the video isn't as bright as it's usually, but we'll work with it. This is actually a new development on the left. And the name has just slipped me, but very nice development. Okay, so we're going to show you the Hampshire and the Cambridge now, and then we'll come back around and show you the via at the Braemar. Okay, so on the left now is the Hampshire, and when these units, that's the one on the left, and then straight ahead now is the Cambridge. Now when the Hampshire units went on the market for sale, they were sold out within days, less than a week. And so the developer, which is Guardian, they decided to build a Cambridge, which is 2 towers at 10 floors each, a lot more apartments. But for some reason, the Cambridge units aren't selling as quickly as the Hampshire units did. Guys, if anybody knows the name of this development on the left, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. I just can't remember the name. Not sure if it's the Palms. Okay, so we're going to show you the villa at Braemar now, which is probably one of the nicer developments you will find in Jamaica. Not only Kingston, but Jamaica. Very nicely done. It was done by Proven Developments. And it's right across from the Abang at Braemar. So you know the Abang at Braemar can get top dollar for their units if they're not sold out already. Okay, so on the left is the villa at Braemar, and on the right is where the video started, showing you the construction of that 6-story building. It's the villa at Braemar is the one at the back. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.